Hi. Today we're going to have a podcast. And today our podcast is about the PSP Go, which I think is a really cool device. Well, I had a PSP Go and I still have a PSP Go. The problem was that my analog stick was damaged and discontinued working. It now works. I have replaced the analog stick successfully and am now capable of using the PSP Go for gaming. And I'm really excited about this. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So far, the only game I have is chess, and I actually beat the computer. That's right. Yeah, man, that was rad. That's a rare thing, a rare occasion for me to compete against the computer in chess and win. So, today's a good day, and I wish you all a good day as well. Okay, talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.